Question number 14. This is one of the important 5-mark question. In this type, they may ask one 5-mark question. Okay. The exercise 2 questions are there and one more example also there. So all the 3 I am going to give now. Listen carefully. Find the equation of a straight line passing through 1, -4 and has intercepts which are in the ratio 2:5. So how to identify this question? They will ask to find the equation of a straight line. One point will be given, passing through one point will be given, and one more condition will be about the x and y intercepts. Okay, one point will be given and one more condition about x intercept and y intercept. If it is given like this in the question, we can identify this procedure. So find the equation of a straight line passing through 1, -4 and has intercepts which are in the ratio 2:5. So the intercepts are in the ratio 2:5. Again, don't change the order. A is to B equal to 2:5. So we can write the ratio as a fraction. So A by B is equal to 2/5. So A is equal to, bring B alone here, 2/5B. So one condition will be given. I told one condition will be given regarding intercepts. From that condition, first step we have to find the value of A in terms of B. We have to find the value of A in terms of B, or find the value of B in terms of A. B is equal to 5/2A, like that also you can write. Okay, so we find the value of A in terms of B. A is equal to 2/5B. Next, write the standard form of the equation x by A plus y by B is equal to 1. Now instead of A, we are going to substitute 2/5B. Remaining assets we have to write. So 2/5B, that is 2B 5/5. Fraction in the denominator, write its reciprocal. So 5 alone go to the numerator. So it will become 5x by 2b plus y by b is equal to 1. So what is LCM for 2b and b? Both are b, so 2 alone missing. So 2b is LCM. Okay, 2b is the LCM. So here 2b is there, so no problem. 5x we can write the same, and here 2 is missing, so multiply by 2. We will get 5x plus 2y is equal to 1. Next, cross multiply this denominator 2b here, so we will get 5x plus 2y is equal to 2b. After we cross multiply all the sums, we will get one equation. Write down that equation and write it. This equation, this is the equation we are going to find. We have to find the equation of a straight line. That this is that required equation. Okay, so this equation is passing through 1, -4. It is given in the question. So if one equation is passing through one point, if we substitute the point in the equation, it should be satisfied. That is the condition. So instead of x you substitute 1, and instead of y you substitute -4. So 5 into 1 plus 2 into -4 is equal to 2b. So 5, 2 4s are 8, plus into minus 8. So 2b equal to -3, b is equal to -3/2. Okay, now again go to this equation, 5x plus 2y equal to 2b. In that you substitute the value of b, -3/2. So 2 will be cancelled, you get -3. Before you come to the conclusion for a equation, again the same procedure, coefficient of x should be 1. So coefficient of x should be positive. So that 5x plus 2y equal to -3, x is positive, so write as such 5x plus 2y, -3 comes to the left hand side as +3 is equal to 0. So the equation will be, the question will be, find the equation of a straight line they will ask. Okay, passing through one point will be given, and the second condition is regarding the intercepts. So first what we have to do, the step 1 is find the value of A in terms of B from the given condition, or B in terms of A. Okay, next we have to write x by A plus y by B is equal to 1 and substitute A in terms of B, and if you simplify you will get one equation in terms of x, y and B, and we have tried is passing through the given point in the question, and substitute this point in x and y in this equation and find the value of B, and this value of B again we have to substitute here. That is the equation, required equation of a straight line, right? Next, question number 14, the second subdivision. Find the equation of a straight line. Because this exercise and next exercise, all the questions will be like this. Find the equation of the straight line. So you should not confuse this and that. Passing through one point is given. Usually passing through one point and the slope will be given. So you should not confuse this method with that. Okay. So passing through one point, and one more regarding intercepts, if it is given, we have to use this method. Here making equal intercepts, x intercept and y intercept are equal, that is given on the coordinate axis. Okay, so what is the condition? Equal intercepts, a and b are equal, a is equal to b. So first step, what I said, find the value of a in terms of b or value of b in terms of a. Now x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Substitute a is equal to b, or instead of b we can write a here, x by a plus y by a equal to 1. Like that also we can write. Anyhow we will get the final equation, the same we will get. Okay, so now LCM, b and b, LCM is b. So here both are same, so write the numerator the same. X plus y is equal to 1. When you cross multiply here, you will get b. After cross multiplying, put the box for that equation and write this equation is passing through the given point. It will be given in the question, minus 8 comma 4. So substitute x equal to minus 8 and y is equal to 4 and find the value of b. B is equal to minus 4. After we find the value of b, again go to the previous equation and substitute that value of b here, minus 4. So x plus y is equal to b. This is the equation we got, and instead of b substitute the value minus 4. So bring, if you want you can leave the equation up to here. As it is negative, I am bringing to the left hand side. So it will become x plus y plus 4 is equal to 0. Next example 5.28, the same procedure which we did previous two sums. A line makes positive intercepts on coordinate axis. We have to consider only positive intercept. Whose sum is 7. That means sum of the intercepts on coordinate axis are 7. That is a plus b equal to 7. That is the condition. Passing through minus 3 comma 8. Okay, so first get the condition a plus b equal to 7. What is the first step? Find the value of a in terms of b, or find the value of b in terms of a. So we get the condition from the given question, a plus b equal to 7. From that, now I find b is equal to 7 minus a. I find the value of b in terms of a. Otherwise, if you want, you can find the value of a in terms of b. Now, the standard form of the equation is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So, a write as such, and instead of b, substitute this value of b, 7 minus a. Now, we have to take LCM for these two denominators. Both are different terms, so both we have to consider as LCM. A into 7 minus a. Multiply 7 minus a here, 7 minus a into x plus ay is equal to 1. Now, cross multiply this, all these terms, a into 7 minus a, bring it to the right hand side. 1 into the same term we will get. Okay, so when you cross multiply, we have to write immediately is passing through the given point, minus 3 comma 8. So after that we have to substitute this value here for x and y. X equal to minus 3, y is equal to 8. So substitute here x equal to minus 3 and y is equal to 8. Okay, the remaining answers we have to write. Next, multiply minus 3 here, so minus 21, minus a into minus 3 plus 3a plus 8a is equal to, multiply a inside the bracket, 7a minus a into a square. Now bring all these terms to the left hand side, so it will become a square minus 7a. These terms are the same we have to write. Now a square minus 7a plus 3a minus 4a minus 4a plus 8a plus 4a. Okay, so group all these a terms and find the value 4a, then constant minus 21. Now we have to factorize this, minus 21 and 4. So we get minus 3 and 7. So a minus 3 into a plus 7 is equal to 0. So if product of two terms is equal to 0, which means either the first bracket should be 0 or the second bracket should be 0. So either a minus 3 is equal to 0 or a plus 7 is equal to 0. So a is equal to 3, a is equal to minus 7. So a is equal to 3 comma minus 7. In the question it is given positive intercept. So we have to consider only positive value. So consider a is equal to 3 around, because that is positive, greater than 0. We should not write minus 7. So after we find the value of a or b, what we will do? Again we will substitute this in the box. So substitute a equal to 3 in this equation. 7 minus a into x plus ay equal to a into 7 minus a. Substitute a is equal to 3. 7 minus 3, x plus 3y is equal to 3 into 7 minus 3. Wherever a is there, we have to substitute 3. So 4x plus 3y is equal to 12. We can write like this, or 4x plus 3y minus 12 equal to 0. Like that also we can write.